Welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you one story. Title of this story is Cleaning Up the Beach. Yes, cleaning up the beach. Do you ever feel upset when you find a place dirty? That's what happened when Lata and her cousins went to the beach. Then what happened? What they did? Let's see. Lata was very excited. The summer holidays had begun, and two of her cousins, Nandu and Malini, had to come to spend their vacation with her family in Mumbai. This story is about a girl, Lata. She was very happy and excited. Why she was excited? Because two of her cousins, Nandu and Malini, had come to her home to spend good vacation time. Lata was living in Mumbai. Mumbai is very big city and it is famous for its beautiful beaches. Let's go to the beach, Malini said. I want to make a big sand castle in the sand. The three cousins gathered their plastic buckets, wore their sun hats and headed for the beach. Headed means went to. One day, they planned to visit beach. Malini wanted to make big sand castle in the sand. Do you know what is sand castle? Sand castle is a castle-like structure made by wet sand on the beach. It is made by children. Children always enjoy to make sand castle in the beach. So, same way Malini was also wanted to make big sand castle in the sand. So, they planned and they reached to the beach. Then what happened? When they reached the beach, they looked around. And they looked around in shock and dismay. The golden sand on the beach was covered in garbage. It was littered with plastic bags, tin cans, used paper cups, and even old shoes. Dismay means sadness or worry. Littered means made untidy with garbage. So what happened? When they reached the beach, they were in shock and sadness. They were very upset. When they looked around, they were very upset because the beach was covered with plastic bags, tin cans, used paper cups, and even old shoes were there on the beach. Oh no, said Malini sadly. There is not a single spot to build a sand castle on this dirty beach. Let's go home. Malini was very upset. Malini was very sad. She said, I am not getting a single space to build a sand castle on this dirty beach. We should go back to home. Let's go home. Then Nandu said, Hey, why don't we try to clean up the beach? He told Lata and Malini about his idea. We should try to clean up the beach. Then they three decided to clean up the beach, and for this, what they did? The three children hurried back home. As they left their house, armed with their shovels and large garbage bags, their neighbors stopped them. Shovels means spade. You can see this in the picture. So what happened? When they decided to clean up the beach, they went back to their home and they collected their gloves, shovels and large garbage bags. And when they were going back to the beach, their neighbors stopped them. Where are you off to? Where are you going? why you all are wearing gloves? Neighbors asked, where are you going and why you all are wearing gloves? Then Malini said, we are going to clean the beach. And she was very excited. You can join us too. Malini said, we are going to clean up the beach. If you want, you can also come with us. Then Lata, her cousins and the neighbors spent several hours working hard to pick up all the litter on the beach. As all their garbage bags filled up, the beach became clean again. In the evening, they surveyed the clean golden sand on the beach happily. Surveyed means examined. So they spent several hours to clean the beach. And in the evening, the beach was clean. I was upset because we could not make a sandcastle today, said Malini. Malini was very upset and she said, I am upset because we couldn't make a sandcastle today. But I am glad we could make the beach happy today. But she said, no problem, then also I am happy, I am glad. Why? Because we make the beach happy today. Today we make this beach happy. Now one important information I want to give you, that on 2nd October 2014, the Swachh Bharat mission was launched throughout India to make every part of our country clean. On 2nd October 2014, the Swachh Bharat mission was launched to make every part of our country clean. Clean surroundings make them attractive and keep us healthy and free from diseases. So what you have to do? You have to clean our country, and this you have to start from your home. Whenever you are seeing any garbage inside your home, just throw it into the dustbin. And even outside also. Outside your home, if you are going somewhere and if you are seeing any garbage, please put that garbage inside the dustbin. You should make everything clean. Every place should be cleaned. Why? Because this makes us healthy and free from diseases. So please do this. Thank you.